Hi, this is Bill, your today's presenter. I am part of ServiceWow Consulting and a member of Glidex architecture team. Today's discussion, we will be showcasing how we've transformed sovereign banks' complex, globally distributed ecosystem into a compliant, scalable, and data-driven enterprise architecture. This blueprint that we're about to show you builds from last week's governance and release strategy, and now advancing to the journey, deep diving into data strategy, replication, and domain separation that will enable you to operate as one intelligent and trusted enterprise. This strategy was crafted, consolidated, and validated by ServiceWow consulting experts together with ServiceNow. With our deep experience in large-scale financial transformations, each expert brings a proven record in enterprise architecture, data governance, and regulatory compliance, ensuring that every recommendation is field-tested, audit-ready, and built for global scale. First, we'll start with a quick recap of last week's session, where sovereign banks' governance and instance strategy lay the groundwork for a scalable, compliant enterprise model. And next, we'll define the key objectives, establishing a data strategy that ensures security, reliability, and compliance across the bank's global footprint. Then we'll explore the target state architecture, showing how multiple legacy systems are consolidated under a single regulatory aligned platform. We'll also unpack the pain points, fragmented data, siloed systems, and limited visibility, and how our proposed model resolves each challenge. From that, we'll present our solution, the dual instance architecture, data replication strategy, and domain separation and governance model that enable true enterprise control. And finally, we'll close the next steps and open discussion, aligning on priorities, ownership, and measurable business outcomes ahead. From our previous presentation, the bank transformation began with a clear mission to modernize a fragmented, risk-prone ecosystem, to replace with a platform built which is compliant and efficient and with speed. Our governance framework addressed long-standing barriers, siloed decision-making, inconsistent upgrades, and delayed transformations like the 18-month remedy upgrade that the bank vowed never to repeat. The new governance process brings structure and discipline, while the governance model unites regional and global stakeholders. With defined accountability, phased rollout strategy, and a shifted from reactive change to proactive transformation, achieving faster value with minimal operational disruption. Sovereign bank is an increasingly complex environment, and you have multiple HR systems like SAP, SuccessFactors, Workday, and aging on-premise platforms like Remedy. The new data strategy revolves by unifying all systems into a single governance platform. That results are measurable, fewer systems to maintain, and a lower regulatory exposure, which is truly connected, compliant, and modernized. Our strategy is built on 7 key pillars by the Glidex team, a proven framework that complements the ServiceNow platform with industry-tested data governance practices. These pillars form the foundation for secure, reliable, and compliant data operations at global scale. Together, it will help you enable data consistency, regulatory compliance, and enterprise-wide visibility. The bank's greatest challenge is scale and complexity, and you have about 80,000 employees with multiple systems in place. To address this architecture, we have introduced a two-instance model, a UK instance where you get to safeguard your sensitive data, which is GDPR with data residency laws, while the global instance powering enterprise services across regions. We've applied the same approach into other global banks, where single instance models failed to meet regulatory demands and created compliance bottlenecks. Those lessons shape this design, balancing regional control with global visibility. And the result for you, a governed, scalable foundation that ensures data remains compliant per region while giving leadership real-time transparency, agility, and trust in every. This architecture directs tackles your three biggest structural challenges. We've seen in other global banking transformations that success depends on balancing structure with agility, and this model does exactly that. So we build accountability and enforce policy through structured compliant governance. We standardize data and replication across UK global instances under compliance frameworks. We deliver controlled and auditable releases that eliminate manual error-prone processes and unifies in the enterprise level for accurate insights and scalable growth. Success comes from combining simplicity, scalability, and compliance in a one unified model. Similar to global banks that adopted this approach, achieved a 40% reduction in compliance effort and faster audit readiness within months. Our implementation followed carefully sequenced phases and balancing delivery speed with governance control, from establishing foundation, expanding the capabilities, introducing planning and observability, and finalize and embedding governance and compliance across the enterprise. The sovereign bank is currently operating at foundational level. With the new architecture and data strategy, the bank advances to level 3, where optimized and automation and unified governance and integration redefine global operations. These foundations pave the way, the path to level 4. In short, the journey transforms your bank from reactive to intelligent, from managing data to mastering it. In summary, this transformation is more than a platform upgrade. It's about empowering your bank to operate as one global enterprise. And we've established data strategies that ensure consistency across regions, global data presence through instance replication, and embedded confidentiality through domain separation. Together, these steps process complexity, strengthen compliance, enhance both employee and customer experience. And as we move forward with security architecture and scope applications, we're laying down the foundation for a resilient, compliant, and future-ready digital experience. Thank you for your time today. I look forward to your questions.